Once purified, the water meets the sweetener. Tons of sugar are dumped into the mixing tanks.
Now for the secret. The concentrated formula, known only to a few, arrives in secure canisters.
Here comes the iconic color. Caramel E150D is added, turning the liquid into that unmistakable deep brown hue.
Every batch is tested. The color must be a specific deep caramel dark brown. If it's off, it's rejected. While the dark syrup is prepared, the bottles are born. Small plastic tubes enter the oven. Heated and blown into molds, they take on the world's most recognized shape.
For the classic glass bottles, the process involves a circular economy. Used bottles return home.
They enter a massive washer, bathed in caustic soda and 80-degree steam to strip away old labels.
They emerge sterilized and sparkling, ready for a new life. For glass bottles, we use a circular economy. Returnable bottles arrive to be reborn.
Hygiene is paramount. Every can and bottle is blasted with ionized air and water to remove dust. Before filling, a laser etches a unique code. We can trace this can back to the exact minute it was made. The dark syrup is mixed with water and chilled to near freezing in the carbo cooler. Carbon dioxide is injected at high pressure. The dark liquid traps the gas, creating the fizz.
This is the heart of the factory, the rotary filler. Red cans spin at dizzying speeds.
It fills up to 2,000 cans per minute. That's 33 cans every single second.
The cold, dark liquid fills the can instantly. Precision prevents spillage.
The lid must be applied instantly to lock in the carbonation.
A double seam operation seals the can, protecting the freshness inside.
Defective units are instantly blasted off the line.
It all begins with carefully sourced and purified water.
Every drop undergoes multiple purification steps to meet our high standards.
Next, we precisely blend pure cane sugar into the purified water. This forms the foundational syrup, ensuring perfect consistency for the next stage.
Here, the secret essence is added, giving Coca-Cola its unique and unmistakable taste. Every batch is thoroughly homogenized to ensure uniform flavor distribution. Rigorous quality checks guarantee the syrup meets our exact specifications before bottling.
The magic happens as we infuse the chill liquid with carbon dioxide, creating the iconic fizz.
The finished Coca-Cola now waits in these tanks, perfectly chilled and ready for its bottle.
And so, the journey for each bottle begins, ready to be filled with the world's favorite refreshment.
Cameras check the base and neck for even the tiniest chip.
The filling process is mesmerizing. The deep brown liquid contrasts beautifully with the clear glass.
The red crown cap is crimped on with 500 pounds of pressure.
In the lab, we check the caramel color depth and carbonation levels.
Human experts ensure the taste remains true to the original recipe.
Cold bottles are warmed slightly to prevent condensation from ruining the labels. The labeler spins like a blur, applying the famous red branding to every bottle.
At the end of the line, the bottles are grouped into branded cases.
The heavy lifting is left to the palletizer robot, stacking layer after layer.
Is ook niet al goed lip nie. Of dat am just thing. Julle wel dan kan ik laat je die ha. I don't hang on die car is niet.
At Jacob's Pharmacy, the very first servings were sold for just 5 cents a glass. A legend was born.
In the 1930s, Coca-Cola helped shape the modern image of Santa Claus, spreading joy and red and white magic.
To us and many more good times.
Cheers, everyone!
This is the perfect day.